Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Campus Chronicles where we'll have the events and happenings of the campus for you. I'm Aditya Singh of class 10 and I am your reporter for the week. So stay tuned with me. The week started with a sad happening
Nominated
where
as
we
member of
express
Sabha,
grief on the sudden
Jivaji
demise
University
of our
Gwalior by
founder
Governor
trustee
of
who
MP
left us
was an
for the
active
heavily
member
abroad.
of
A festival which is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is full of joy, excitement, and love. These little toes are all ready to set the stage on fire with their mesmerizing dance performance on Janmashtami. Tiny toes of class 4th, 5th, and 6th had their activity based on Janmashtami. These innocent faces depicting the events associated with the festival looked fascinating and very charming and added glory to the celebration of Janmashtami, a festival full of joy, excitement, and love for a very famous deity, Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Krishna.
Mostly all the schools of Bareilly have assembled here. Their active participation in this rally suggests that there is entirely a very profound zeal. So as you can see, a rally has been organized by Amar Ujala on the special occasion of Independence Day. You can see the happy faces of the people as they are filled with enthusiasm and joy during this special moment of Independence Day. This is a very purposeful rally organized, which suggests how enthusiasm the people during this special moment are. As you can see, they are filled with enthusiasm, and today their feet do not agree to retire.
Patriotic singing is one such thing that brings tears to the eyes of the listeners. One such event is being organized by the Sangam Kala Kendra in our school campus, where our school is the venue partner. And the aim of the event is to insist the values of patriotism and hunt the talent. And we can see the preparation for the same is going on.
मोदी जी से तथा आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदया से कि वे हमारे सभी निर्णायकों और संगम कला ग्रुप परिचय चैप्टर के माननीय पदाधिकारियों को पटका एवं प्लाटर भेंट कर स्वागत करें।
By Sangam Kala Group and our school was the venue partner. The guests were welcomed. It was inaugurated by the lightning of the lamp and floral tribute by Saraswati. The competition is in full swing and the students are participating. They are showing their talent in the best possible way. Music has power to evoke emotions, and when we talk about patriotic songs, they bring goosebumps to our body, and we are overwhelmed with patriotism. The competition that we are having today has three categories: sub-junior for 5 years to 12 years, junior for 12 years to 18 years, senior for 18 to 30 years. The competition is in full swing.
प्रतिभागियों को निमंत्रण दूंगी। सबसे पहले वैष्णवी रस्तोगी।
Among the audience, participants enthusiastically presented soulful rendition of patriotic songs, which left the audience spellbound. All the participants were appreciated and the winners were declared in the closing ceremony of the patriotic singing
और हमारे जूनियर वर्ग के विजेता हैं एनिकेसिस
Group.
अतिशय मनोहर
the event were felicitated.
Voice of melody has its own expression, and when it is filled with patriotic fervor, then it's even more impactful. The school choir added a feeling of nationalism in the air and filled every heart with a new pride and glory. Dance is the expression of the soul, and to express such a pious emotion, no other way could be more appropriate. So, a soulful dance performance represented involved the emotion of patriotism. It brought shine to the eyes and a promise to the nation that we all prove ourselves as the valued citizens of our nation.
She is revered as a
The tricolor is a symbol of pride for every Indian. The Independence Day celebrations begin with the hoisting of the national flag by respected manager sir. We pray that the glory of this flag may spread far and wide. Independence Day celebration was marked with some glorious words and motivating speeches by the students. Their words
as we
added
gather
an
to
inspirational
commemorate
mode to
the
the entire
79th
event.
Independence Day of India, our hearts are filled with
No event
जैसा कि हम
can
लोग
be
सब जानते
concluded
हैं
without the blessings of our elders. A
कि
heart
200 साल की
was given by our honorable manager sir.
गुलामी के बाद
Tears to our eyes
हमको
and made
15
us
अगस्त
realize
1947 को ये दिन
duties
मिला।
and responsibilities towards our nation.
इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों का
Thoughtful
योगदान है,
expression
जैसा कि
of
अभी
fortune and liabilities.
बहुत सुंदर चित्रण किया गया।
Plays a vital role in preserving one's rich culture, heritage, and passing it on to the future generations. Festivals like Janmashtami not only provide an opportunity to remember the life and teachings of Lord Krishna, but also instill values such as love, devotion, and compassion. So, in the school campus, Janmashtami was celebrated, in which students showcased a short skit, dance, and delivered speeches. Students depicted a soulful presentation of the teachings of the life of Lord Krishna in the form of dance, which left the audience spellbound. At the end of the vision, our respected principal ma'am heard her blessings on the little toes and appreciated their efforts